Welcome to Serene Mind Studio. If you are new to meditation or simply feeling stressed, you are in the right place. For the next 5 minutes, I will guide you exactly on what to do. Start by finding a comfortable seat. Place your feet flat on the floor and rest your hands gently on your lap. Close your eyes if you feel safe doing so, or simply lower your gaze. First, bring all your attention to your feet. Feel the weight of your body pressing down into your chair and the floor. This is called grounding. Take a deep breath in through your nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now exhale slowly through your mouth as if you are breathing through a straw. Feel your shoulders drop away from your ears. Now, let us focus on your belly. When you breathe in, try to make your stomach move outward like you are filling a balloon with air. Inhale deeply. Feel the belly expand. Now exhale slowly. Feel the belly sink back in. It is okay if your mind wanders. When you notice a thought, simply acknowledge it and bring your focus back to the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. Imagine you are a tree with roots growing from the soles of your feet. With every exhale, imagine those roots moving deeper into the ground, holding you steady. You are strong. You are stable. You are unshakable. Even if the world feels fast around you, your roots keep you still. Repeat these words silently to yourself. I am here. I am safe. I am calm. Take one more deep breath, the deepest one yet. Fill your lungs completely and release everything with a long, slow breath out. Gently open your eyes and bring your awareness back to the room. If this 5-minute session helped you understand how to ground yourself, please leave a comment with the word "rooted" below to lock in this feeling. Subscribe to join our community for daily guidance. I will see you here tomorrow. Be well.